Legends of Learning presents the SpaceLab game. This is a science game that makes learning about chemical reactions, evidence of a reaction, fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, come and become a chemical scientist in a space lab for a day. You don't know about chemistry? Don't worry. SpaceLab's veteran scientists will help you on this adventure. Learn the main ways to identify chemical reactions. Let's do some experiments ranging from laundry stain removers to space fuel fluid. Come join our team of scientists from another world. Use the mouse to click on different compounds to add them together to create different chemical reactions. Observe the reactions and see what happens. Choose compounds carefully based on the instructions provided, and then observe what happens. Is heat dissipated? Do the compounds change, or is something else formed in the reaction? Try as many different chemical reactions as possible to learn more about science. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.